Taiwohi Taiwoha, oh my gosh. It has been such an honour to be a part of this kaupapa.
Through this kaupapa, I've been able to really connect to that, you know, taha Māori side and a wānanga space where we're all like uplifting each other. Yeah, so bringing it home has really been a game changer for me.
I just feel so much aroha when I walk into this wānanga. It helps me to just aro ki taku mahi.
Coming into this space, I realise I've never spent so much time in the north, even though I'm a product of the north. E te taho tōku mama me, tōku papa.
Yeah, I think the massive thing for me, like one of the reasons I wanted to do this kaupapa in the first place was because to come home, to come back to Te Tai Tokiro, but come home in a different way so that I could learn more about myself. I know where I'm from, I know my whakapapa, but actually, like, does my whakapapa know me?
Te whakaro o tēnā o tēnei minanga nei, tēnei kāhui taiohi, a tōna wā ka puta mai enei momo āhuatanga I roto I tēnā hapu, I tēnā hapu, I tēnā hapu puta noa o Toi Ngāpuhi nui tonu te tai tokera.
Yeah, I truly believe that everybody has that ember of or spark of creativity just living within them. It's different environments can, you know, nurture that ahika and make that flame bigger. It's been like kindling, like it's felt like all of everybody just in their own way coming up to, you know, my fire and just going, yeah, I got this kindling for you, and I've just been able to crackle away, you know, like, and keep doing it. So
I'm probably not going to fit in. Like, everyone's going to be all arty crafty. I used to think artists were boring people.
If anything, it's just opened up my eyes and made me really appreciate my environment, the whenua, our atua Māori, just my Māori identity, really. So exposed to so many world of Toi Māori.
Learning how we as Māori ringa toi incorporate the tai ao and give back to Papatūānuku is a huge part of what's been inspiring my work and getting my hands in there and learning about how to take care of the materials that I'm taking. It's not just take.
I wasn't so expressive before this wānanga, but like you didn't really notice that you were expressing yourself till after when you thought about it. Because like when you're in the space, you're just together, like there's no judgment between us. It's just helping each other up, picking each other up.
it has been at times a little bit like getting cracked open and like, but, you know, I realised that being cracked open, you like, lets all this light in.
I was just new to it, being like a sponge, yeah, adapting to all the teachings that I've learned, all the good, great people like Horo Manahoro and Billy Harrison and everyone else that helped us through the journey.
Yeah, meeting the ringatoi, learning off them, like shadowing them, yeah, being a bit hard to them, just always being over their shoulder, stuff that you do. Yeah, just like having people passionate about Toi Māori, it's really inspired me.
First wā, I've been jamming uku, been really loving that, getting into taonga puoro, creating my own taonga puoro with uku.
Right now with Toi Ngāpuhi, and this kaupapa has given me an amazing introduction and starting point into te ao Māori and Māori art, as well as that confidence to call myself a Māori artist.
When we're in Wānanga, we get the chance to create great bonds with people, and learn lots of new things because we have time and space to do it. Yeah, it's quite special because, like, through Toi, I get to learn about my tupuna and their stories.
Nō reira, e mihi ana ki tō tū mana motu hake mo te toi Māori, mo te rangatiratanga o te toi Māori, mo tātou te taiohi, mo ngā whakatupuranga kei te haere mai, e mihi ana.
Yeah, I was really nervous to apply actually, but it turned out to be one of the best things that I think I could have ever have done, because it's completely spun my whole world around in terms of how I view Toi in this space, and then when we go home to the north and how we work together and talk together and wānanga together and te whakaaro, whai whakaaro about Toi Māori.
Taiohi Taioha has made me know what I want to do now in life, and just being able to connect with heaps of ringatoi or learning like a lot of new stuff I had no idea was a thing, like Ote, that was completely new to me. I never heard of it.
I can inform my mahi with a broader understanding of things, with all the kōrero that we've been given, just having a wider knowledge base to draw upon, to create, and then also kind of explore other art forms.
Coming here and just being able to sit and listen and observe rawa, these beautiful, beautiful people that they're just so giving, and what can you do but to receive when someone really wants to give to you.
Highlight was definitely the exhibition. Even though it was like stressful as, man, we could just feel it. It was like, oh, I gotta get this done, gotta get that done. Waiting till the last minute to finish off a piece, and you're just like, oh, okay, this is part of the process.
It was actually really cool to see all the different type of art way, and I feel like it was a really cool turnout as well to see how many people actually came to the exhibition, to the opening, and like, cause I'm never really around like exhibitions. So I thought it'd be like a sort of look around and then like leave, but like they were staying for hours.
Being in the exhibition, that was cool.
At this point, I'm just excited to see it in a gallery space.
But it was meant to do it with my whanaunga that I've made here, and yeah, with all my metes. So it's very, very special to me. And yeah, just privilege. Being able to share it with some of our ringatoi mentors has really encouraged me to just keep pushing and keep going with it. So
I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning I was really scared. It was more of putting myself out there and what the response was gonna be. So that was a big mataku thing of mine.
I've never done an exhibition before, so it's just crazy and tiring. Going good, having fun. Oh, that's one of the main things here.
It feels very exciting and nerve-wracking, I guess you could say. And this being my first exhibition.
Taiohi Taioha has taught me, even with tutus, you can still make an amazing art piece. And as a person, it's built my confidence a lot more in my culture.
Oh, that's a pretty massive question. Definitely privileged. Grateful.
Oh, pretty mean. It's pretty hearty, like, because you can see, you know, all of our whānau that have gotten into Toi, you know, pushing those boundaries.
I know I'm going to have friends forever. Yeah, I guess my Māori side, I would call it. Just awakening what that is. Definitely Toi Māori has opened up a lot of opportunities in that pathway.
It encourages me to do the best that I can with everything that I do, and just always acknowledge everybody that supported me, that's always been there throughout my whole process.
And I think it's really important that we acknowledge that, you know, that mahi toi is for everybody, and like everybody has that creative spark, and it's about, yeah, nurturing your own fire too.
It just gives us a sense of, like, you know, this is us, we Toi Ngāpuhi.
With every piece that you make, with every wānanga space that you're going into, bringing your hakapapa with you, bringing your whānau with you, because we're never alone as Indigenous artists. We carry the joy and the responsibilities of our tupuna behind us.
For me to really feel that, to be a ringatoi of Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu, like I need it to be bigger than just me and the mahi I do.
It means I'm making my tupuna proud by carrying on their legacy through Ngāpuhi art. Be a massive privilege. Yeah, I think we carry a responsibility now, being gifted this mātauranga, being exposed to it, obviously passing it on to the next generation.
So to me, I suppose being a ringatoi of Ngāpuhi is just being an ipu for all of our taonga tuku iho, and bringing those back into our spaces for everyone.
Proud. I feel very proud to be able to be in this art form and to be a part of Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu.
I think it's just having uniquely Ngāpuhi stories told, hopefully inspire other iwi and other Indigenous peoples to have that kind of grassroots level creative arts, yeah, and performing arts, yeah.
Yeah, Ngāpuhi ringatoi, I'm still trying to get over that one. Yeah, I feel very honoured and privileged. Yeah.